Hey, yo! What's up, Lush Crew? If you don't know me, my name is Elijah. Welcome to my first video. I am an upcoming hairstylist in the Houston area. So yeah, today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. I done made my first big girl investment. If y'all know me, y'all know it took a lot out of me to press that checkout button. But let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So this was all of the stuff that I purchased. These were all of the boxes that came in. Basically everything came from Amazon. So stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, I got all these boxes around me, and I got my knife. So let's get it cracking. Honestly, I don't know what's in what box, so it's gonna be just as a surprise opening the boxes as y'all are. So the audience in the back, which one should I open first?
Pick the white bag.
Okay. A white bag it is. I know this is supposed to be a special kind of way to cutting this, but we got the first aid kit in production. It's okay. Ooh, okay, y'all. So what we have is we got elastic bands for the wig installs. We got masks because you never know, there were stomach viruses, coronaviruses, swine flu, pandemics left and right. So yeah, and they're pink too. Look at that. Bow. Steady calling my phone. I done told you it's over before, now leave me. All right. Y'all, I don't know what this is. This how you got this them late night just ordering random stuff. Cause I really don't know what this is. Oh, it's my shears. And they holographic. And then I got this. This is just some pink gloves, cause for when I'll be doing stuff like dyeing, bleaching, this will come in handy. And not only when it comes to natural hair, but also things like wigs and stuff, because I do wig installs and custom made wigs. So if you don't know, now you know. I'm gonna put my Instagram and I got a TikTok in the description below, so be sure to check that out too. Oh, I know what this is. This is, why they be making these packages so hard? Bada bing. Ooh, can y'all see my cameraman in the back? It's a rose gold mirror, y'all. Next box. Ooh, I got my rat tail combs, baby. Y'all see they got the that's good for getting them crisp, straight line parts, baby. You can eat off of it, slurp it up. Alright, y'all, so this next box, I got me a broom set. This is actually pink as well. I'll try to put a photo of it, boom, right here. Editor, thank you. So yeah, and I like it because it got the teeth in it. So like when I'm sweeping up hair and stuff, rake it up. I'll try to put a link to everything that I got in the description below. So like, this Lush community, y'all, I want it to be uplifting. I want it to be inspiring. You know, I feed off y'all, y'all feed off of me. So yeah, if I can do it, y'all can do it too. So there's enough room in this industry for everybody. And I mean everybody. So don't ever think that you can't do something. Just put your mind to it. Stick with it every day. Practice makes perfect. Yeah, that's my inspirational spiel for today. And y'all, these packaging, I mean, I'm earth friendly. So like they be giving these big old boxes. Like, I don't need half this packaging. Like, is cardboard recyclable? You sending me this big old box for this itty bitty plastic container? Oh yeah, I got a binder for my bookings. Cause I know everything nowadays is electronic, but I also want paper copies of everything. I don't know, I'm just old school, I'm just like that. Isn't it pretty though? This is a scissor holder, or for all of my tools and my clips. I could keep them all in one spot. I'm gonna try and put a photo of it here. Yeah, I got a new one of these. It's a 2-pack scalp massager. You know, this is actually very good for like stimulating your scalp. So if you real big on hair growth and you want them 30-inch bust down locks, baby, this will do. And then I also got some more just regular you know, combs as well. Those will come in handy. Y'all, this is my crochet tools. But I was really excited for this because I really needed some new ones. And I got all different types, all different sizes. So, yeah. Alright, so with the crochet tools also came these interlocking tools. They gave me about 4 or 5 of them, like different sizes and shapes too. Then I got some more hair. Damn, I didn't know it was this much. I got some more clips, y'all. Y'all can never have enough clips for the pre-parting and everything like that. I like this sage color because eventually I'm going to add it to, you know, the whole product side of things. To be continued. On to the next box. I hope y'all don't see my address in none of these boxes. For real. I've been seeing them Netflix specials. What is the thing about cutting open the boxes? Cut it away from me?
I think that's cutting everything.
Alright, y'all. I got some microfiber towels in the building. I got me a new detangler brush as well. It's in that sage green color. That's a really pretty color. Let me know if y'all like this. Y'all like the colors? I know I chose pink because fabulous. Pink is my favorite color. Like, I'm a barb. Come on now. Stop it. I got one of these for disinfecting and sanitizing. I've done it with all of my tools before. I just never had the big boss tool for it. So, yeah, I got that as well. I also got foil sheets for the dyeing, the bleaching, all of that. So, of course, I would save the big old boxes for last. Like, why? Why would I open up the small stuff? Oh, Lord, help this child. Besides that, these 2 big boxes, I got this one here, and this one sitting next to me. So I got 2 storage carts. I'll probably put them right here because I don't feel like unboxing them. I'm going to have a setup video after this. I'm going to knock them both out today. I'll probably upload them back to back. And then I also got my salon chair. Finally, my booster seat. We got that booster seat. But anyway, yeah, I got the salon chair. I also put a photo of it right here. And also the link in the description below. I got all of this stuff from Amazon Prime next day or the day after. But yeah, y'all, this is the unboxing video. I'll pan everything again in a shot. Subscribe, there will be videos. You know, I have some of my clients in my videos, doing their services, promoting the services that I like to do. And also, y'all can see the growth. I mean, again, I've been only doing this for about a little bit over a year. So, of course, I still have a lot of growth to do, but y'all can see my growth. I can see y'all growth. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like. Comment below the things you want to see, things you want me to do. Again, this will be my hair only YouTube page. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Lush Crew, love y'all, and we out. All right, y'all. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Here is the pan of all of the things that I got. Again, I am super excited to be on this journey. Again, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, drop a comment below what y'all want to see. And again, thank you so much. I just take it day by day.